Hi, George Smith at MarineMax Stuart. We're going to do a walkthrough today on the 32 Boston Whaler dual console. As you can see, we have a standard transom, actually a dive door, the standard on this particular model. We have the automatic leveling trim tabs, which is a great feature. You don't have to mess with the tabs yourself, it's all automatic. This particular boat has the 350 white engines, Mercury's on it. So let's take a walk through the boat. As you can see, this is a very versatile boat. It has seating for many people, probably 12 to 14 fold-out seats, loungers that face either direction, fish boxes. There's a live well on board, so when you are fishing, it's got freshwater pull-out sprayers. The hardware on these whalers are just incredible. The size of the doors, the boat is built to last a lifetime. As we walk forward, you can see the huge hardtop on board. It also has an electric automatic shade to get you out of the sun. It also has ventilation hatches in the hardtop. There's a cabin under here. These seats are both powered. They go up, down, and all the way come to the other side. So when you put the table up over here, you can face, both passengers can face each other. It also has the grill on board, refrigeration. This particular boat has the joystick control, a large Raymarine GPS plotter system. As we walk forward, this has the enclosed head, of course. Nice and easy access, a sink to get in there. The cabin also is available with air conditioning, a TV, and as we move forward, you can see that there's nice lounge seats up in the bow with the armrests, places to put your phones, and also a ladder to get on and off the boat. It also has a sun shield for the bow area. If you'd like to do a demo on the boat, I'd be glad to take you out. My name is George Smith. I can be reached at 772-287-4495 or my cell 908-675-6746. Have a good day.